Hey everyone, today's video brings us back to the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek, where we will be replacing both the front and rear wiper blades. For reference, these are the original wiper blades, so they're roughly 2 years old, 24,000 kilometers, and they have faced 2 Quebec winters, so they've seen a lot of ice and snow. They've been performing pretty well up until this point, and the reason I'm changing them out, besides the fact it has been 2 years, is the driver's side wiper, the rubber started to separate. So what wiper blades did I decide to go with? Considering the history and the track record I've had with the Subaru wiper blades, I went with Subaru. Now I have heard that with the Subaru, it is a special attachment point and there aren't many other wiper manufacturers out there that have that attachment point. I'm sure there are, but again, based on the history I have with the Subaru wiper blades, I went to Subaru and got them. So I went ahead and purchased all 3 wiper blades. So it's a 26-inch for the driver, it's a 16-inch for the passenger, and a 14-inch for the rear. All 3 wiper blades from Subaru cost me $85, tax in Canadian, so that's roughly $60 US. In this video, I'm going to show how to remove the old wiper blades, insert the new ones both on the front and the back of the vehicle. For those interested, there's the Subaru part numbers for the 3 different blades. The 14-inch rear, 16-inch passenger, and 26-inch driver. Subaru has made this process extremely easy. To remove the old blade, lift the wiper arm up. If you follow the arm up at the central attaching point, you will see a button. You will push that button down and then slide the wiper blade away from the wiper arm in an upward position, and that removes the old blade. Very simple. I'm going to zoom in to give you a better view, and we're going to do it again with your thumb pushing down on this button in the middle. Press down, push the wiper arm up, the wiper blade up and away from the arm, and it removes. Now let's take a look on how to install the replacement blade. First thing you could do is remove the protective plastic sleeve that protects the rubber during packaging and storage. And the installation is pretty much going to be reversal of what we did to remove it. You're going to take it from the top and you're going to slide it down onto the arm and wait till you hear the click. Very, very simple, very easy. I'm going to go ahead now and do the passenger side. It's rinse and repeat of the driver, so I'm not going to show you that, and we'll come back and do the rear. For the rear wiper blade, we're going to do it this way. You're going to lift up on the whole arm assembly, put it in the up position. You're then going to grab the wiper blade, pull it away, and we're going to use a pivot point. We're going to put our fingers on the bottom of the wiper blade, and we're going to pull towards us, basically bending it away from the arm. It will feel at first like you're almost going to break something. Don't worry, this is how it's done. We continue pulling, it unclips, comes horizontal, and we could take it off of the arm assembly. So pretty much the way it's working is the arm has a little hook that goes through this hole here, and when we lie it flat, the hook engages on this little barrel that locks everything in place. Now let's see about installing the replacement. It's going to be reversal of what we did to remove the old one. We're going to take our replacement, we're going to put it in that horizontal position, and we're going to twist it in and twist towards us like that. And then you can put the arm down. And we've gone ahead and replaced both the front and the rear wiper blades on our 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. I can't speak to the older generation Crosstreks, but definitely 24, 25, 26, and probably 27 are all going to be done in this manner. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any questions or comments down below. See you in the next one.